buenas tardes, amigos, amigas. I'm at an open house here in La Floresta. It is big, it's beautiful. And I'm with the real estate agent and the broker here. And we're gonna do a video. And here is the information. And now we're gonna go inside this beautiful home. Okay. This is.
Hi, Chris.
Hi, Kat.
Welcome.
And Kat is the real estate. She's gonna take us around. Okay.
Okay, here we have this beautiful house,
Okay.
hacienda style. It's located on La Floresta, one of the best areas in Ajijic.
Kat's gonna take me around, so she's directing this video.
So right here we have the master bedroom. We have two in this house, all of them with French style doors.
I forgot. He told me how many French doors? 17 total?
17 total.
Huh? Can we look at this? Look, this is wow.
Walk-in closet, marble shower, solid wood doors,
High ceilings everywhere.
high ceilings, Florida style. We have a nice fireplace. Winter time here, it could be a little chilly, so we want to make sure that you keep warm. So we have a pellet wood stove too. Either. This is good enough to warm the whole house, really. We have a beautiful kitchen, lots of cabinetry, running finish, and then the backsplash, which is a mirror, is not very common in the kitchen. And I think it's a very nice touch. Have a family room, an exterior dining, a big patio,
Okay, nice
and
pool
your
too.
entertainment table. This is a nice house for that. We have a big family too. Yeah, we have the
Two fountains as well, right?
two fountains, yes, one on top of the pool, one on the right. The pool is one level, it's about 4 feet deep. Right. And we have two small bedrooms for guests or the kids. Closet. And now we have big doors. These two bedrooms share the bathroom.
This is beautiful.
We have, I believe, 18 fans too, you know?
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, this is set up as a therapy room right now. It can be anything, you know, like a bedroom or office, whatever. Closet, closet, some doors.
Okay, those are solid.
Here's the booty, and we have another master bedroom. And we have pool view. Beautiful walk-in closet
A
here too.
lot of sunlight in this house too. A lot of sunlight in the open air.
I love that, yeah. Mexican touch, a really good exquisite taste. This is the
Wow.
We have a tub. if it were my house, it could be my closet, you know.
Okay. It leads out to the pool too.
Yes.
Wow. Does the furniture come with the home?
It doesn't come with the home really, but it could be negotiable, you know. It doesn't come with the home.
Okay, because people will ask that.
Yes.
But it is negotiable. So.
It is negotiable.
And
We have a patio.
oh, laundry room. Barbecue, yeah. Wow. Really nice. Room. And this is the garage. Okay. How many cars?
It's not one car, you know.
It's huge. It's big.
We have a lot of storage here. And also, we have some gas camera, whatever. This is part of the property. You can have 2 more cars, maybe even 4.
Oh, wow.
Parking here. The tree is super big, so there's a lot of shade to protect them from the sun.
This is such a beautiful property. I don't know what to say. I'm almost speechless. So, Kat, would you like to give any more information on the property?
Yeah, sure. Well, as you know, La Floresta is one of the best spots in Ajijic. When I was here, everything is so close. It's very peaceful. Lots of security. The HOA fees are really reasonable. I'm gonna say they're about $600 a year.
Whoa.
Pretty much nothing.
Yes.
So, they do have good water in this area. Plus, they have a water filtration system, a big cistern underground, so you will never have problems with water. I love it that it's 1 floor. This house for few years. It was built in 2012, so it's a pretty new
Wow,
house.
it's huge. Yeah. Now you're about 10 years old.
Yeah. And well, do you want to move into Cozumel? That's the reason we're selling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Kat, we got a copy of the information on the front of the house, and that's all the information, and they could call and ask for you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Is there anything else you'd like to say?
Well, it just went out to the market. I don't think it's gonna last too long. So
Okay.
yeah, it's been a week and a half.
That's what my friend Tom was saying. He says these houses are going fast.
Yes.
Okay, I want to say thank you very much, Kat, for doing this video. And I hope one of you who watch this video get down here and look at this house, because it is magnificent. It is so beautiful.
Thank you.
And it's only 10 years old. Okay. Thank you again, Kat. Adios, amigos. Buenos Aires from La Floresta, here in one of the most desired areas of Ajijic.
Thank you.
Okay, gracias.